airport. That's Baltimore Washington International. So now we're about to get on this little trolley all the way to downtown Washington, and we're gonna check in to our hotel and then go to the museum. And we about to get on this bus right here if they don't pull off. Made it to DC, Washington, DC. We downtown Washington, DC right now. You know what I mean? And just chilling right here in this little park real quick. Still walking to the hotel. Made it to the hotel. Oh man, about to clean up and head to that museum. It's a nice hotel too, it's alright, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna see what it's like. So hungry, we've been walking around everywhere.
We haven't eaten
since we ate like a muffin earlier, right around maybe like 7 o'clock. But we haven't eaten a meal since last night around like 9 o'clock.
We're back. Robert can't vlog right now because he's tired. He's tired. I think he has a little jet lag. Just a little bit. So we about to go to the hotel so he can get a little nap in. Quick little nap, you know, so he can just get back on it. He's a little cranky right now. He had all that chicken, that's what it was. It was the chicken. Y'all, Robert had 2 pieces of chicken.
It was so good.
Mac and cheese.
I ain't even been eating chicken like that, especially fried chicken.
Green beans. What else you had?
And the yams.
The yams. You had something else.
I had cornbread.
Cornbread. He had all of that. Didn't ask me if I wanted any. None.
I gave her the mac before I even tasted it.
So we just out here chilling. Y'all look at the museum. So much history inside of there. So
Facts.
much. We didn't even see everything today. Like,
I know.
You'll probably have to come back at least 5 times. At least.
To soak it all in.
Yeah, it's a lot.